Engineer Shema Kinde, the governor of Oyo. It gives me immense pride to welcome everyone present here today to this inauguration of the 2025 National Convention Organizing Committee of the People Democratic Party. It is often said that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Today, we take that step forward towards strengthening and sustaining our great party through the instrumentality of balloting as we pave the way for the next national officers who will lead us into the future. This main committee for the National Convention is ably chaired by His Excellency Governor Ahmadu Umaru Fintri of Adamawa State, with His Excellency Governor Ademola Adeleke of Osun as Vice Chairman and His Excellency Governor Peter Uba of Enugu as the Secretary. Their competence to undertake this task is well known and unquestionable, and they also reflect the diversity and unity of our party. Your Excellencies, thank you for accepting to serve in these roles, which place substantial demands on your time and energy. I'm confident that with your wealth of experience and commitment, you will discharge this mandate with diligence, fairness, and excellence. My dear leaders, brothers and sisters of the PDP extraction, this national convention is of critical importance. The national officers we elect will lead our great party into the next general election and beyond. We must recognize that the challenge we face as the leading oppositions are mutating. Much of the dismay of well-meaning Nigerians. While the faction that broke out has not garnered much traction, we know that politics is dynamic, and the ruling class may seek to capitalize on or even sponsor such distractions to weaken the PDP, which remains the only dominant opposition party in our dear country, Nigeria. Permit me to share a few brief reflections, which I believe will help underscore the importance of this committee's work. By faith and through political outcomes, I did not contest as national chairman of the PDP. I was elected as deputy national chairman, not yet for nearly 2 years now, first in an acting capacity and now substantive. I've been entrusted with chairing the affairs of this great country. Since assuming this responsibility, I have labored with sincerity and utmost commitment with my NWC to steer the ship of our party. In this period, we have pursued reconciliation, worked to reposition our structures, and ensure that despite challenges, the PDP remains the leading voice of the opposition and the enduring hope of millions of Nigerians. On this, we have succeeded. But let me be clear, these successes are only made possible by silence and tolerance on my part. Not because I enjoy being disparaged, but because at critical moments, I choose restraint and out of weakness, and not out of weakness, but as a conscious sacrifice for the survival and stability of our party. An analyst will say, but the consensus will remain that in a time of great difficulty, the NWC under my leadership held the line and did a remarkable job. Today, I say with conviction that the PDP is not broken. The PDP is not defeated. The PDP is marching forward, stronger, more determined, and better prepared to fulfill our overriding objective, to reclaim the presidency of this country and build Nigeria from the mismanagement of the current ruling party. This mission is very critical. The recent by-election across the country, as well as the local government election recently in Port Harcourt, speak for themselves. Opposition parties were met with intimidation and blatant rigging. The ruling party has shown no regard for democracy. Their only interest lies in disenfranchising voters and stealing mandates. I will not dignify their actions by calling it winning. Just as during the military era, when the founding fathers of our great party courageously accepted the responsibility of challenging the existing power structure, today we too accept this responsibility to rescue Nigeria's democracy from undemocratic forces, to save our nation from this ongoing bastardization. The inauguration of this committee, while part of our tradition, also symbolizes our collective determination to organize, to mobilize, and to deliver a national convention that will stand as a testament to our democratic ideals. As you know, the 2025 National Convention is scheduled to hold in Ibadan, and that is sacrosanct. I want to make it very clear. My charge to this committee is simple. As you carry out your work, let fairness, equity, justice, and unity of purpose be your guiding principles. Let us set aside personal grievances and ambitions that do not serve the collective interest, if any exists. Let us also focus on the bigger picture, building public trust by providing to Nigerians through this convention that the PDP remains the vanguard of democracy and the blueprint for due process. Let every member of our party see in our conduct the assurance that PDP belongs to all. I have no doubt we will deliver a convention that reaffirms the PDP as the party of the people, by the people, and for the people. I hereby thank all of you for being here, your commitment and loyalty. May God bless the PDP and may God bless the Federal Republic.
Power to the people! The PDP is not broken. The PDP is marching forward to reclaim